This is a guitar lesson on a song called Open Up the Heavens by Meredith Andrews, Stuart Garrard, James McDonald, and Andy Rozier. I'm going to show you how to play the rhythm first. That's kind of the catchy intro. And then we'll go over the song, the words and how they fit in with the chords. It's basically based on a G chord shape and also on the C suspended second chord shape. Cycle between those two chords with a capo here on the 3rd fret. And our intro is going to look something like this. I'll show you an easy strum first, and then we'll elaborate and make it a little more difficult as we go. So here's an easy version. It'll look like this. And what I did there, I went down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then I switched the chords. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now we can elaborate on it a little, and I'll start with 4 quick ones for the verse. And it would look like that. And what I did there is I went down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Now finally, we can add a couple quick more down ups on the tail end of it, so it would look something like this. And what I did there was down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So there's the basic strum for this. I guess I'm going to make a video for how to play the verse in a separate video in the playlist. So that if you need to work on the strum more, you can rewind this one and just find the other parts in a different part.